Hello, I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services, a teacher of mathematics and physics at Angel High School in Namaswa. In today's lesson, we are looking at the mechanical properties of matter. This is the theme, mechanical properties of matter. It has many topics or chapters, but the first one will be the states of matter. We cannot determine the properties of matter without first of all knowing the states of matter. From the states of matter, we shall look at a lot about matter. We shall look at the arrangement of molecules in matter. We shall look at the behavior of matter under different conditions. However, being it our first lesson, we shall look at the learning outcomes, we shall look at the competence, and we shall discuss about the states of matter. We have around 5 learning outcomes, and number 1 is understanding the meaning of matter. That is our first learning outcome of this chapter, which is states of matter, understanding the meaning of matter. After understanding the meaning of matter, we shall also look at the atoms as the building blocks of all matter. Yes, matter is made up of small molecules or small blocks or particles that we call atoms, and when they combine together, they form what we call matter. So that will be our second learning outcome. Then we shall also look at how to apply the particle theory or kinetic theory of matter to explain the phenomenon such as the Brownian motion and diffusion. But we shall base on the kinetic theory of matter. So that is our third learning outcome, applying the particle theory or kinetic theory of matter to explain Brownian motion and diffusion. Then we shall look at the understanding how the particle theory of matter explains the properties of solids, liquids, and gases, and also the change of states and diffusion. So we shall also have to know how the kinetic theory of matter or the particle theory of matter explains the change of states of matter and the occurrence of diffusion, and also the properties of these various states of matter. Lastly, our last learning outcome will be understanding the importance of plasma in physics. Yes, plasma is our fourth state of matter, and not so common as the 3, but it is in use. It is all around us, only that we may not know where it is. So we shall be looking at plasma and its importance in physics. Those will be the learning outcomes. Then we shall come to the competence. Yes, our competence is we shall learn more about matter and use the knowledge of arrangement and motion of particles to explain the properties of liquids, gases, and solids. That is our competence. That is learning more about matter and the use of the knowledge of arrangement and motion of particles to explain the properties of the states of matter. So those are our learning outcomes and the competence. Then we shall look at the states of matter. Yes. First of all, before I look at states of matter, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Anything around you that occupies space and has weight is matter. Start with yourself. You are matter because you occupy space and you have weight. Look around your area. What are those things that occupy space and have weight? The rare one that people normally doubt is air. Air is matter because air occupies space and air has weight. If you want to know that air occupies space, then you get a balloon and try to fill it with gas. It will expand, meaning that air in it is occupying space. So that is our introduction to the states of matter. Otherwise, in our next lesson, we shall dig deep into the states of matter, where we shall look at the properties of each state, the change of state, what causes the change of states. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services and a teacher of physics and mathematics at Angel High School, Namasuba. Bye-bye.